Hi there, it's Jay from One Crypto Farm. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MetaMask account on desktop. So to do this, you're just going to type MetaMask Chrome extension. Okay, so once the page loads, so you can just click on the link from the Chrome web store MetaMask. Once the page loads up, click on Add to Chrome. So this is going to add MetaMask extension to your Chrome browser, and click on Add extension, and you wait for it to download. Okay, so you can see MetaMask is getting downloaded. You can see one download in progress. So download is complete. Just go over here. You can see MetaMask has been installed. Then you can click on MetaMask. Here we go. Then it says let's get started. Scroll down. Okay, I agree to MetaMask terms and conditions. And you can create a new wallet if you're just using MetaMask for the first time. But if you have MetaMask installed on your mobile before, you can import an existing wallet. But for first timers, you can create a new wallet. Then you have to agree. And you create a password. So you confirm your password and ensure that it matches. Then understand and create a new wallet. Here's a short video on how you can secure your wallet. So you can click on the recommended secure my wallet. Okay, so you have a recovery phrase, that is your secret phrase. So you need to copy this and paste somewhere in a safe place. Maybe you can use your notepad or any other app, or you can just write it down in a book that you know that it's safe. So once you click on this reveal secret, so you have your 12 phrase. So you can copy to clipboard and you can paste in your notepad, or you can just write it down somewhere that you know you can keep safe. Then you can click on hide seed phrase. Then you click next. So I have my notepad open and I have my phrase there. So open this. This is going to require you to fill the empty spaces, the third phrase, which is escape, and the fourth, which is monitor. I'm going to type escape, monitor. The eighth phrase, which is that's able, the able ceiling. Okay, ceiling. Then click confirm. Congratulations, so we are done. Click done. Okay, click next and click done. All right, it's connecting. So it's connecting us to Ethereum mainnet. So MetaMask is an Ethereum blockchain wallet. So you can see we have the Ethereum mainnet. You click on it. We have linear. We have other networks that are supported on MetaMask. But you can use MetaMask for Polkadot, or Solana wallet doesn't support it. So you need to install Solana wallet. For example, we have Phantom, and for Polkadot we have Subwallet or Nova. But I prefer Subwallet. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks so much for staying this long. See you next time. Bye.